guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Halloween series. Today we are doing a she-devil look. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm starting off with my brows, of course, as always, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I start off by underlining my brow and then I move to the top and line the top. Once I line both the top and the bottom, I go ahead and fill in the brow, but I never bring the product to the front of the brow. Then with the spoolie side, I brush the front of my brow to disperse and blend out the product. Now I'm cleaning up my brows with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my e.l.f. concealer brush. Now I'm pressing in some of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm going to be picking up the red shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm pressing that in from the brow to the crease. From the Morphe 35C palette, I'm picking up this gray-black shade with the Morphe M513. Now I'm going to be placing that into the crease and blending it up. With the Morphe M321, I'm picking up the darker black and I'm concentrating that all in the crease. Here I have the MAC 217 brush and I'm picking up the red shade from the Morphe 35C. And I'm blending out the edge of the black. Now I'm cutting my crease with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170. With the Morphe M124, I'm picking up this neutral shade from the Morphe 35C palette. Now I'm adding a wing with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. And I did this all fucked up, but it's okay because I'm going to clean it up with the concealer. I'm cleaning up the wing with the Maybelline Master Concealer and my e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild paint pot in white and I'm applying that in the areas that I'm going to want highlighted. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild Brights paint palette and I'm picking up the red shade. Now I'm placing that on the rest of my face. Now pressing everything in with the damp beauty blender. And right here I have the smaller version. It doesn't really matter if the colors mix together. I'm gonna add some red shadow to everything anyways. Now I'm picking up the red shade from the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just pressing that in all over. Now I'm going to be picking up the maroon shade to contour. I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit and I'm going to be picking up Snow. And I'm just going to very lightly dab a tiny amount. Remember that we do have a cream base, therefore every powder is going to stick to it very, very intensely. I'm tightlining my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby Scott Black. I'm taking a tiny bit of that liner on the outer lower lash line. Then I'm just blending it out with my finger. And with that same liner, I'm gonna line my lips. Curling my lashes with my MAC lash curler. And now I'm adding my Eyelure Vegas Nail Shining Star lashes. Now I'm just adding some mascara to the lower lashes. And now finally we're adding the horns, and I got these little horns at Party City. They were only $5 and they're so cute, if you guys can tell. They have little rhinestones. Alright guys, so that wraps up our look for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos. You guys want to know what just hit me? That maybe this paint might stain my face and have work tomorrow morning.